we're based here in Gainesville, Florida, and so we heard about TSF through mutual friends and contacts here in town, and the TSF team has a great reputation in town, so we reached out when we needed some extra help.
As an early startup company, there's been a lot of experimentation, trial and error with early versions of the product and customers.
We really fine-tuned our product to 3D map construction sites, factories, forestry and land survey uses, and kind of what we call heavy industry. So as we began to shift to an enterprise sales organization with a focus on very specific customer groups, we saw the need to work with the TSF to be our partner sales development rep. So like an SDR that would help us follow up on all of the inbound marketing leads from people we would meet at trade shows and conferences who would submit inquiries onto our website, and to help our inside sales team book meetings. Unexpected benefits of working with TSF are that we have an entire team to help us with our SDR and appointment setting activities. And so it's nice knowing that we can call or talk with someone from TSF at any time and know that we have a team working on it.
At this point, now you guys are like skilled and up to speed, so we can really just kind of throw anything at you guys and let you guys run with it.
As Paracosm evolves our product line to solve more problems that can be answered with 3D mapping, we see all of these as new sales opportunities that'll need new sets of outreach and new outbound campaigns that the TSF should be able to help us with.
We're just looking to really just make this household name amongst surveyors.